There are two sides of every circuit. Line side. Control side. Components on the line side of the circuit will receive a higher voltage. For example, 230 volts. Components on the control side of the circuit will receive a lower voltage. For example, 24 volts. L1 and L2 power the line side of the circuit. L1 and L2 represent the two poles on an AC power supply. The picture to the right shows L1 and L2 on a schematic diagram. Note that the line voltage is labeled above L1 and L2. The line side of the circuit will have bolder wiring connections than the control side. The line side will also have L1 and L2 nearby. The picture to the right shows the line side of the circuit. Note that the wiring lines are bolder than the bottom half of the diagram. The control side of the circuit can be powered by an external power supply. The control voltage will usually be a lower value than the line voltage, for example, 24 volts. The image to the right highlights an external power supply. The control side of the circuit will have thinner wiring lines than the line side of the circuit. The picture to the right shows the control side of a circuit. Note that the wiring lines are thinner than the top part of the diagram.